Childhood obesity.
32.4% of children in New York are obese.
Obesity may lead to other deadly diseases such as diabetes, asthma, heart failure, and more.
But it's not too late. Anyone can exercise.
Don't quit, get fit.
Be a player.
Get up and play an hour a day.
Ouch! Sorry. For cool playtime ideas, go online. Just don't stay long.